Hello friends, I Jyoti Kumari, Assistant Professor in Bihari Girls College, welcomes you all on behalf of Guru KPU. Today I am going to give a lecture on cancer. Cancer is a disease that is characterized by out of control cell growth. Now, cell division is the important process in multicellular organisms which is important for repair and growth. But the tumor cells have abnormal growth which leads to the formation of tumor. Now, tumors are of two types, benign tumor and malignant tumor. Benign tumor is a tumor that does not spread all over the body, it remains on the site of its origin. Now next, malignant tumor. Malignant tumors are those tumors which spread all over the body, and the process, this process is known as metastasis. We will look over the mechanism of normal cells and tumor cells. If in the case of normal cells, daughter cells proliferate to a limited capacity and then get differentiated, in which the non-dividing cells are discarded. But in case of tumor cells, the cells are not able to differentiate properly. They continue proliferating, which leads to the formation of tumor. Now, the types of tumor. Tumors are of many types, but the main are carcinoma tumors. Basically, these contribute 85% of cancer. Next, sarcoma. Sarcoma contribute 2% of cancer. Lymphomas contributes to 5% of cancer. So this was all about cancer. For more details, please log on to website www.gurukpo.com. Thank you.